5 दिन लगेंगे. It will take 5 days. It will take 5 days. 6 साल लगे. It took 6 years. It took 6 years. आज सोमवार नहीं है. It is not Monday today. It is not Monday today. कल छुट्टी थी. It was holiday yesterday. It was holiday yesterday. राम को बहुत समय लगा. Ram took a lot of time. Ram took a lot of time. बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? क्या बारिश होगी? Will it rain? Will it rain? क्या बारिश हो रही होगी? Will it be raining? Will it be raining? आज बारिश होगी. It will rain today. It will rain today. आज ओले पड़ेंगे. It will hail today. It will hail today. परसों ओले पड़ेंगे. It will hail day after tomorrow. It will hail day after tomorrow. परसों ओले पड़े थे. It had hailed day before yesterday. It had hailed day before yesterday. 2 मिनट लगते हैं. It takes 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लग रहे हैं. It is taking 2 minutes. It is taking 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लगे हैं. It has taken 2 minutes. It has taken 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes. मुझे 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take me 2 minutes. It will take me 2 minutes. अब तुम्हारी बारी है. It is your turn now. It is your turn now. यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? 2 दिन हो गए हैं. It has been 2 days. It has been 2 days. 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days. It had been 2 days. मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days to me. It had been 2 days to me. क्या कल छुट्टी थी? Was it off yesterday? Was it off yesterday? उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? आज ओले पड़ सकते हैं. It may hail today. It may hail today. क्या देहरादून में बारिश हुई? Did it rain in देहरादून? Did it rain in देहरादून? बारिश क्यों होती है? Why does it rain? Why does it rain? तुम कितना समय लोगे? How much time will you take? How much time will you take? मैं 10 मिनट लूंगा. I will take 10 minutes. I will take 10 minutes. उस दिन क्या था? What was it on that day? What was it on that day? अंधेरा हो रहा है. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. वहां बहुत बारिश होती है. It rains a lot there. It rains a lot there. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It can rain today. It can rain today. आज बारिश होनी है. It has to rain today. It has to rain today. आज बारिश होनी थी. It had to rain today. It had to rain today. क्या आज सोमवार है? Is it Monday today? Is it Monday today? कितना समय हो गया है? How long has it been? How long has it been? क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? मुझे 2 घंटे लगे. It took me 2 hours. It took me 2 hours. तुमसे मिले हुए 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days having met you. It had been 2 days having met you. तुम्हें इतना समय क्यों लग रहा है? Why are you taking this much time? Why are you taking this much time? मुझे घर पहुंचने में 5 घंटे लगते हैं. It takes me 5 hours to reach home. It takes me 5 hours to reach home. मुझे स्कूल पहुंचने में आधा घंटा लगता है. It takes me half an hour to reach school. It takes me half an hour to reach school. ये काम करने में काफी समय लगेगा. It will take plenty of time to do this work. It will take plenty of time to do this work. उससे मिले हुए 7 साल हो गए हैं. It has been 7 years having met him. It has been 7 years having met him. ऑफिस पहुंचने में तुम्हें कितना समय लगा? How long did you take to reach office? How long did you take to reach office? किताब खत्म करने में मुझे 2 महीने लगे. It took me 2 months to finish the book. It took me 2 months to finish the book. ये कपड़ा सीलने में 20 दिन लगेंगे. It will take 20 days to stitch this cloth. It will take 20 days to stitch this cloth. मैं तुम्हें बाजार जाने दे रहा हूँ. I am letting you go to the market. I am letting you go to the market. हम सब उसे जीने नहीं देते. We all don't let him live. We all don't let him live. वो मेरा दोस्त है इसलिए मैं उसे गलत नहीं करने देता. He is my friend, hence I don't let him do wrong. He is my friend, hence I don't let him do wrong. पापा मुझे 18 साल से पहले कार नहीं चलाने देंगे. Dad will not let me drive the car before 18. Dad will not let me drive the car before 18. तुम हमें जाने दो. You let us go. You let us go. मैं तुम्हें जाने क्यों दूं? Why do I let you go? Why do I let you go? उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया. He never let me cry. He never let me cry. तुमने मुझे कभी हंसने नहीं दिया. You never let me laugh. You never let me laugh. तुम ना सोते हो ना मुझे सोने देते हो. Neither you sleep nor let me sleep. Neither you sleep nor let me sleep. या तो मुझे जाने दो या फिर तुम जाओ. Either let me go or you go yourself. Either let me go or you go yourself. मैंने उस दिन उसे फोन नहीं करने दिया. I didn't let him call that day. I didn't let him call that day. मैंने भी आने नहीं दिया. Even I didn't let come. Even I didn't let come. तुमने मुझे सोचने तक नहीं दिया. You didn't even let me think. You didn't even let me think. वो मुझे भी सोने नहीं देता. He doesn't let me sleep either. He doesn't let me sleep either. मैं न तुम्हें खेलने दूंगा न टीवी देखने दूंगा. I'll neither let you play nor watch TV. I'll neither let you play nor watch TV. हम तुम्हें 1 सेकंड भी सोचने नहीं देंगे. Will not let you think even for a second. Will not let you think even for a second. मैडम ने क्लास में सिर्फ मुझे बैठने दिया. Madam let only me sit in the class. Madam let only me sit in the class. मैं तुम्हें एक्सरसाइज नहीं करने दूंगा. I'll not let you do the exercise. I'll not let you do the exercise. मम्मी और पापा हमें खेलने देंगे. Mom and Dad will let us play. Mom and Dad will let us play. क्या आप मेरे भाई को जाने दोगे? Will you let my brother go? बॉस मुझे सोचने तक नहीं देते. Boss doesn't even let me think. Boss doesn't even let me think. मैं सोचने क्यों दूं? Why shall I let think? Why shall I let think? राम उसे क्यों जाने दे? Why shall Ram let him go? Why shall Ram let him go? मम्मी मुझे पढ़ने जरूर देगी. Mom will let me study for sure. Mom will let me study for sure. वो मुझे पढ़ने देता है. He lets me study. He lets me study. यहाँ लोग मुझे चैन से जीने नहीं देते. People here don't let me live peacefully. People here don't let me live peacefully. बच्चे पढ़ने नहीं देते. Children don't let study. Children don't let study. क्या उसने तुम्हें आने दिया? Did he let you come? Did he let you come? हमें क्यों नहीं बोलने दिया तुमने? Why did you not let us speak? Why did you not let us speak? मैं तुम्हें उस बच्चे को नहीं पीटने दूंगा. I will not let you beat that child. I will not let you beat that child. रवि तुम्हें कभी जीतने नहीं देगा. Ravi will never let you win. Ravi will never let you win. राम उसे जाने नहीं देता. Ram doesn't let him go. Ram doesn't let him go. लोग उसे मुझसे मिलने नहीं देते. People don't let him meet me. People don't let him meet me.